Yeah, good evening all. Good evening everyone. Dubai Ekene Moon. I want to talk about this single mothers of a teen. This single mothers of a teen is getting out of hand. Today, I want to talk about it. But this message is going to direct our parents because they are the most important supposed to hear this message. It goes to our parents. They are the most important people about this message. What I'm trying to say in this message is that our parent is our problem. All this single mother everywhere. Today, I was reading a comment. It's all about single mother. Fight here and there. One woman was crying because somebody abused her, insulted her because of single mothers of his stuff. Please, the earlier will be better for us. Our parents, try to free your children once they are above 18 years. Try to free your children. Try to teach them what they need to know. Try to let them know that they are old enough to have friends. All you need to know, all you need to do as a mother or as a father is to advise your daughter. Monitor her. Mara onye ya na ya na-abụ na-adị na mma. So that onwe ife mere echi, ị mara, yes, this is the person he's dating. In this Europe, I never ever hear that this one give birth out of wedlock. I never see Oyibo wey give birth out of wedlock. I never saw such. All this bonbon full everywhere. We black. Bonbon full everywhere. It's not existing in this country. You can never see Oyibo who born out of wedlock. Before Oyibo will born, before he even married, he will budget for it. If Oyibo did not have money to train her children, he will not even get married. They used to budget it before they will even get married. All Oyibo used to do is that they normally divorce in an old age. But in their young youth, their parents must know who they are dating. I'm just feeding my eyes. How wish our eye will open to see many things in this country, to behave matured. We are no more in darkness. This Oyibo you are seeing, before they start this friendship of a teen, in school, when they are small, their father will know, their mother will know. Even when they grow up, can you believe a father will pick up his daughter? His daughter will tell, Daddy, I want to go and see my boyfriend. He will, Daddy, can you drop me? And her daddy will pick her and drop her in her boyfriend's house. And they want to tell Daddy, please pick me back so time like this. Exactly the time her daddy will be waiting her for there to pick her back. Goes with their mothers. Their mothers know everything. All their affairs, their mother know. If they get pregnant, they're able to verify so quick, so fast. Why our people like this, our mentality is so low like this? Any man will come to you, he will just say yes. Before you know, he pregnant you and abandoned you. You become a single mother. Oh, Nigeria, everybody just the bonbon anyhow. That's why hungry is too much. Nobody to help. Look at what is going on now. Hungry is everywhere. Single mothers everywhere. Our parents, please. Gbaa mbọ ka ịchọpụta onye ya na nwa gị na-eme oyi. Etinyezina ụmụ unu ụjọ n'ahụ ka a hapụ ị na-eje ije nzuzo. Ọ ya mere some maazị ehuzi ahapụ ozi eziri ha si ebe a nwere excuse a ga-eji jee fụ unyi ha nwoke mee ngwa na-achite. Many things are happening in Nigeria. You cannot free your daughter, give that your daughter independent. You cannot free your daughter, you cannot give your daughter independent as a woman. See what is going on everywhere. You'll be preaching your daughter, holding your daughter. You try to turn your daughter to become Virgin Mary. Okay, that Virgin Mary you are trying to make your daughter to become, he will not using it, working on you. Sometimes he will say, Mommy, I'm going to night vigil, without knowing that he's going to his boss friend's house. Chief oburu Bible nata, ega hama na obe nwoke ka o shi nata. Please, let's free our daughters. It's very, very important. Let's give our daughter freedom. All you need to know is to, oh my dear, you are a grown-up now. I didn't stop you for dating anybody because I know someday you are going to get married. All I'm begging you is that anything you are doing, just be careful. Even though you see the person you like, bring it to me. Let me know the person. I want to know the person, and I will be a happiest person if you bring the person to me so that I will know the person. Not only husband, where person seek your hand in marriage before you now bring it to your parents, is how we used to behave in Africa. But ordinary friendship, we'll be hiding it. Oh, ya na-ebute ime mkpuke. Bonbon everywhere. Please, our parents, this is very, very important for us because this thing is getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand, please. Let's just stop all this low mentality we are having because it's not going to help. It's not going to help us at all. The earlier we stop this, the less all this born out of wedlock will reduce in Nigeria because it's very much, even in this Europe, they are doing the same here. Single mothers everywhere. You will go to Germany, you will see a woman with 5 children. All those 5 children will be different fathers. You will see a woman with 3 kids. All those 3 kids will be different fathers. You will see a woman with 4 kids. All those 4 kids will be different haba. Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen? We lack that knowledge. We lack it because our mother did not brought us up. They did not brought us up in that manner. That mentality is still in us. That's why we still live in Nigeria. Come over here, we still behave the same. The mentality is already in our head. Let's reason. Please, this message is very, very important. Because the earlier we realize that our daughters and our sons need an independent is earlier for us. Because this message does not go only to single mother, they are also single fathers. Single fathers also. Please, if you are dating girl, any girl, onye dị gị mma enyi ọma ndị gị mma ọnụnụ bikonu onye dị gị mma enyi ga-adị gị mma ọnụnụ. Because our parents, if you are aware that this so person is dating your daughter, once your daughter get pregnant, you don't even need to doubt it. You will just, you take it there. Whether they like it or not, they must get married. I don't know the reason why all these things are happening. We in Nigeria, we have many bad names. Even though Igbo is usually not against us here, say Nigeria too, the bomb full everywhere. Igbo know us in the name of bomb full everywhere. All we need to know is to bomb. We cannot even care if we are going to train it. We're able to train our children. All we need is to open legal, deliver. It's too much. It's not working over here. You cannot see such over here. I never even hear. I never even see. I never see you were born out of wedlock. Then we get married officially before they start having kids. But some will divorce in their old age. When they say it's over, it's over. You cannot change it for them. Please, our parents, this is very important message because this thing is getting out of hand. It's a very big shame to we Africans. It's a very big shame for here. Let our parents take this message seriously and start to amend all those things. It's very important. Free your kid once is up to 18 years. Is an independent. You have become an independent woman. Is here also. Once you are above 18 years here, you are independent. You can do everything by yourself. You can go anywhere by yourself. You can have a friend. It's not against the law. The one against the law is that when you date underage, that is against the law here. Which I know, likewise in Nigeria, is against the law. As far as I'm concerned, Nigeria don't even have a law. Many things are happening. Please, our parents, this is the most important thing. Make me to do this video this evening. Please. Let's just focus on this message. This is very important for us. Free your kids. Free your children once it's above 18 years. Free her. Free him. It's very important. So that's all I need to say for now. Because I'm very ashamed of myself. This is a piece of advice. You can take it or you leave it. All this bonbon everywhere. Na ike gwụrụ. Ike gwụrụ. Ị na-ekechi nwa gị, na-ekechi nwa gị, na-ekechi nwa gị, na-ekechi nwa gị. Ifu ya na nwoke na-ahawo. Ifu ya na nwoke na-aba. Ifu ya na nwoke na-eti. Ihe agụtakwa ime mkpuke. Ihe emekwe nke, ihe eme nke ọzọ. Ihe eme nke, ihe eme nke ọzọ. Emechakwa ọdụrụ ime mkpuke nwana. Ka izi isi ikpu ahụ ị na-eti. Instead of ikpọrọ nwa gị, teach him what he need to know. Asịkwa nga eme no but ị na-eme. Kpọta onye ahụ ka mmara onye or take me to the person if the person is serious. Nne na nna kwesịrị ime onye anyị na ya na-adị na mma. Onwe ife mere na ebido n'oge kwụwa onye ukwu wara. Biko, mma na-asụ my language because English amaghọkwara m ahụ. Akwụkwọ m nwaada Biafra. English is not my language. Because o nwere ọtụtụ ndị nne anaghị anụ English. Ọ bụghị onye ọbụla na-anụ English. O nwekwara ọtụtụ ndị nne anaghị anụ broken. For ndị anaghị anụ ihe m na-ekwu biko ihe m na-ekwu bụ ime a na-atụ atụ ime mkpuke a na-atụ atụ ọ dịzi too much. O riri nne ka anyị na ụmụ anyị ndụmọdụ ụmụ gị na-eme ọyị gbaa mbọ ka ịchọpụta onye ya na ya na-abụ na-adị na mma so that onwe ife mere echi niile ị mara na onye ahụ ịkpọrọ ya jee ebe onye ahụ ọ gaghị agbagha ya agbagha bikos ịma na gị na ya na-adị na mma, nne gị ma nna ya ma na gị na ya na-adị na mma, so ọ gaghị agbagha agbagha, ọ gaghị ajụ si na ọ bụghị onye nwa mere ya. Onye nji maka ya were eme ihe onyonyo a na mgbede a, ọ ga-enyere anyị aka nke ukwuu bikos idiri ya a na-amụ emu ebe imu ebe imu ebe imu ebe a ọ naghị eme ọdịghọdụ na mba ofesi ọ dịghọ. Biko ndị nne anyị gbaa mbọ mee ihe ọ ga-abara anyị uru. Chọpụta onye gị ya na nwa gị na-adị na mma, o ga-enyere anyị aka ime mkpuke a na-atụ ebe niile ọ ya akwụsịnata. Bikosi onwezi anyị na-anụ n'ụmụ ihe onyonyo a kịta ma ọ bụghọ ime mkpuke ime mkpuke ime mkpuke ime mkpuke ọ ya anyị na-anụzi. Biko ekene m unu. Ọ ya wụ okwu nji bịa na mgbede a ka ọ dụrụ onye ukwu mma dụrụ onye nta mma. Biko ya anyị na-ekpe bụ ka ọ ya esi dịrị anyị na mma. Biko ya gazie.